Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will learn about for loop in C programming. The for loop is used to run a single or set of statements multiple times based on the given condition. You can use the for loop when you want to control the loop using a number and when you know the starting and the ending number of the loop. The syntax of the for loop is like a for keyword, and within the function bracket there is a initialization part and then a condition part and then a updation part separated by the semicolon, and then the loop body where you can add a single or set of statements to be executed within the loop. The initialization of the for loop occurs only at the first time of the loop, and then the condition will be checked every time before starting the loop. The updation also happens every time the loop executes. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named forloop.c. I'm including the header file stdio.h to use the printf statement. I'm creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring an integer variable I. Now let me create a for loop. To do so, I am adding a keyword for and then creating a function bracket. Within the function bracket, in the initialization part, I am initializing I with the value 1. And then in the condition part, I am adding a condition I is less than or equal to 5. And in the updation part, I am adding a I++. It means I with increment operator. And within the for loop, I am adding a printf statement to display the value of I in the output. I am adding return 0 at the end of the main function. Now let me explain how this for loop going to be executed in this program. When the program runs, when it comes to the for loop, in the initialization part, value 1 will be assigned to I. And then in the condition part, the condition will be checked like I is less than or equal to 5. As I is 1, so 1 is less than or equal to 5 is true. So it will enter the for loop. So the value of I will be printed using the printf. As value of I is 1 now, it will be printed in the output. After the printf, when it sees the end of the for loop, that means line number 8, it will again go to the line number 6, the starting of the for loop. Now the value of I will be incremented. So the I will updated from 1 to 2. Now the condition will be again checked. As the value of I is 2, so 2 is less than or equal to 5 is again true. Again it enters the loop and print the value of I as 2. The process repeats until the condition fails. The condition will be failed when the value of I is greater than 5. And when the condition fails, the loop will be skipped and come to the line number 10 and stops the program. To check this output, let's save the program, and to compile it, let me open the VS Code terminal using Ctrl J. In the terminal, type gcc space forloop.c and then press enter. In the same terminal window, type /a.exe to run the program. From the output, you can see the value of I 1 to 5 is displayed. This is how the for loop works. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.